I'm Dr. Sneha Garg. I am a consultant cardiologist in Max Super Speciality Hospital, Saket, New Delhi. So I'm attending this conference, IPCI. It is a very innovative conference and which gives us insights into the imaging with great detail. And for beginners like us, it is a boon to know the nitty-gritties from the best in the country and also around the world. So it's a very great place.
Which one you learn about this event? Which topic you learn about?
It is a physiology and the coronary imaging based platform. So imaging exotica, when we are able to see the cases of imaging from all over India and the world, we are able to incorporate that in our practice and make it for better for our patients.
If anyone doctor share their success story in these sessions.
Yes, they tell about the things which the therapy which they changed after seeing the imaging. So that also translates to better patient outcomes. So that is very important thing which we get to discuss in this meeting.
Yeah, this type of sessions, how much used to the publicity and doctors?
So it is more of a learning platform, and then and also if we know that some good things are happening at some good places, then definitely that place gets a good name as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.